Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Children, yesterday we have learned identify the numbers from 1 to 100 through beat chain. Today we are going to learn identify the numbers from 100 to 1000. Represent the numbers more than 100 numbers on the number line. This is the number line from 100 to 1000. The number line is divided into 10 groups. The numbers are given here. Children, say the numbers from 100 to 1000. 100, 200,
300,
400, 500.
600, 700, 800, 900, 1000.
Okay. Each group has divided into 10 things. Okay? Children, you can easily identify the numbers through number line. Last year, come here. Identify 50 number on the number line. Write the 50 number on the number line. 10, 10.
20, 30, 40, 50.
Okay, write 50 number. Next. Write 120 number on the number line. 120. 110.
120.
Okay, right. Identify 270. 270. Write the 270 number on the number line. 220.
230, 240, 250, 260, 270.
Okay, right. Next. 390. 390. Where does it lies on the number line? 330, 340, okay. Next. You can go. 390. Sana, come here. Identify 410 number on the number line. Write the number 410. Okay. Where is the 560? Where is the 560 number?
500, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560.
Okay. Identify 750 number. 750.
700, 710, 720, 730, 740, 750.
Okay. 750. Next, here Ritik. Identify 90 number on the number line. 90 number.
20,
30.
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Write the 90 number. Okay. Identify 180 number on the number line. 180.
110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 100.
Okay. 180. Next. Write 240 number.
200, 210, 220, 230,
240. Next. 360.
300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360.
360. 550. 550. 530. 540. 550. Okay. Next. 820. 820. Okay. 920. 910. Next. 910. 910. Okay. Very good. You can go. Children, in this way, you can easily identify the numbers through number line. This is the number line TLM. The number line from 10 to 100. The number line has divided into 10 groups. Each group has divided into ones 10 months. Okay, this is the number line from 100 to 1000. Each group has divided into 10 groups. Every group has divided into 10 tens. You can easily identify the numbers through number line. You can also prepare the number line TLM. Okay children.